So here I'm going to attach this lace right in the middle. And here you can see my lace is attached, but I want to make one seam in the middle as well. My lace is attached and now I want to finish my neck. Here I'm going to make a seam on the right side of the fabric. Here I'm going to make some cuts. This is the back side of the neck, and here is the back facing. So this is the right side and this is the right side of the strip. It goes together, and here I'm making a seam. Here I also make some cuts. Now I'm going to make a seam on the back neck. I won't give it a piping look. And this is the time to join the shoulders. So this is the back neck and this is the front neck. So the front side goes with front, and here I'm going to attach my shoulders. I will cut this extra strip. And here I'm going to join the necks together. And these are the shoulders. And now this is the other side, and here I'm going to join my shoulders. This is the front neck facing. I fold it inwards, and here is the back neck facing. So this is how it looks like. And now for the seam, this is the side seam I'm going to make. I've already made the marks for the side seam. I hope the camera can capture it. As you can see, my first seam is done, and now I'm going to do other side seam. Okay, my side seam is finished, and now I'm going to attach the sleeves. I'm finishing my sleeves in one seam just to save time. You can finish the sleeves first and then you can put lace on top of that. It's up to you. But here I show you the easy way. It's just fold the sleeves and put a lace on top and then make a seam. So this is how it will look. I'll show you in a minute. Just fold the raw edges in. This is round sleeve. The fabric is cut in round in a circle, so it will be little bit difficult for you to fold. So just take small sections and fold them. You can also do the picot stitch on it. This is how a sleeve looks. I will finish both sleeves just like this. So here you can see I have attached the lace on my sleeve, and this is how it looks when I fold it. And now I will show you how to attach this sleeve with armhole. So here is the armhole, and what I do, I will roughly measure how big the armhole is, so that if I need to short the sleeves armhole, so I can do it before I attach the sleeve. So here I'm just roughly holding it, and I will try to measure with my hand how big the armhole is. So we need to shorten this armhole. So I will make a seam over here to shorten the armhole, and then I will attach my sleeve. So here I'm going to attach my sleeve, and this is the longer side and this is the shorter side, and make sure you attach the longer side on top of the shoulder like this. So this should be, your neck should be here like this. like this. So this is the neck, and your armhole should be here like this. Make sure you attach the longer side of the sleeve on the top shoulder, and the shorter side, like this one, this will go under. So what I'm going to do is just, this is the right side of the sleeve, and here I've got this like, and now I'm going to put this sleeve through the armhole to attach it. Just like this. So this is the longer side of my sleeve, and here I'm going to attach just to make sure this is the right side of the top and this is the right side of the sleeve. So both outsides, like this one is outer side and this one is the outer side. Here you can see my dress is ready, and I've also finished the hemline with a simple seam, and this is how a full circular sleeve looks like when we attach it. And here you can see it. It's beautiful frilly sleeve. I hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much.